Okay, let's talk about making a link. What do I mean by link? Well, I mean hyperlink, something that you can click on a computer to go somewhere else on the internet. When training on equipment in the makerspace, you're often going to be asked to provide evidence that you really can use the equipment. And the evidence is often going to be a photograph, and you're going to be asked to paste a link to your photo. So let's talk about how to do that and how to make those links public. Start by going to Google Drive. If you're a student, just use your college email address to log in. And if you're not, go ahead and make a free account. Once you're in Google Drive, create a folder for yourself by clicking on this new folder button. And give it a name that you can remember, like My Links. This is where you're going to put your photos that you're going to link to later. Then take a photo and get it from your camera into your downloads folder on your computer. And then you're going to drag it from that downloads folder up into your My Links folder in Google Drive. And it's going to upload up into the cloud to be linkable from any other computer on Earth. And if you want to right-click on it and choose Rename and give it a name that you can recognize later, great. The important bit is that you right-click on it and come down to Share. And even though right there it says copy link, that you don't yet copy the link, you click on this share button, because in here is your chance to make it public. Look here where it says restricted and change that to anyone with the link. From this moment on, your link is going to be pastable and viewable by anybody that you share it with. Now you can go ahead and click copy link. What do you do with this link? Well, in each of the trainings in the Makerspace, you're going to find a spot that asks you to paste a link into the box, and you're going to paste it right into that box. This way, when you submit the training and I come and look at it, I'm going to find a link there in your submission, and I'm going to be able to click on it and see the evidence that you got to the finish line. Look at how all these links are easy for me to view to see that you're able to use the equipment successfully. And look at how some of these links aren't links at all. See how other text was pasted into the box here. See how this isn't a link at all. I can't click on it. And see how this link is private. I do not have access to the file. Whoever made this link probably has access to the file, but they never changed the sharing option from restricted to anyone with the link. So I'm going to have to email this person and say, hey, can you please change the sharing options from restricted to anyone with the link? Take a moment to make good, public, pastable links. It really helps when it comes time to show evidence that you've been able to complete the trainings.